Hey everyone. Today I'm going to ask her questions about her family.
And I'll answer them clearly and simply.
After that, you repeat my questions and her answers.
Or answer with your own family story.
Let's
Let's
start.
start.
Can you tell me about your family?
Sure, I come from a small and happy family.
Can you tell me about your family? How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
How many people are there in your family? Who are they?
My father, my mother, my older brother, my younger sister, and me.
Who are they? Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family.
Do you live with your family? What does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
What does your father do? How about your mother?
My mother is a housewife.
How about your mother? Is your father strict?
A little, but he is very kind.
Is your father strict? What is your mother like?
She is very caring and patient.
What is your mother like? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
Do you have any siblings? Are you the oldest child?
No, I am the middle child.
Are you the oldest child? Is that difficult?
Sometimes, yes.
Is that difficult? What does your brother do?
He works as an engineer.
What does your brother do? Is your sister still in school?
Yes, she is still in high school.
Is your sister still in school? Who are you closest to in your family?
I am closest to my mother.
Who are you closest to in your family? Why are you close to her?
Because she always listens to me.
Why are you close to her? Do you often spend time together as a family?
Yes, we usually spend time together on weekends.
Do you often spend time together as a family? What do you usually do together?
We eat together and talk about our day.
What do you usually do together? Do you have family traditions?
Yes, we always have dinner together on Sundays.
Do you have family traditions? Who is the funniest person in your family?
My brother. He is very funny.
Who is the funniest person in your family? Who is the quietest?
My father.
Who is the quietest? Do you ever argue in your family?
Yes, sometimes we argue.
Do you ever argue in your family? What do you do after an argument?
We talk and say sorry to each other.
What do you do after an argument? What do you love most about your family?
We always support each other.
What do you love most about your family? How does your family support you?
They encourage me to do my best.
How does your family support you? Are you grateful for your family?
Of course. I'm very grateful for them.
Are you grateful for your family? Now it's your turn.
Repeat my answers.
Or answer the questions using your own family story.
Practice makes progress.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English conversations.